over the campus. No one is safe as long as Boy Topak is at large. You learn your first shot with Topak in the library. Don't buy your grocery where Topak shops around.
Hold up to! Diba! Diba! Hoy!
Even in the streets, Topak drives everyone crazy. Young Prince of Action, Zoren Legaspi, kills again. Ipaglaban mo ko, Boy Topak. Cheryl Cruz, Sweet 16, but she shoots too. Good Harvest Films gives you a gathering of formidable seasoned performers and able support of top-rated stars to give you that thrill of a powerhouse cast. They too are after the neck of Boy Topak. The trouble of Boy Topak starts when he sees her mom with a lover, which makes him a son of a bitch.
Yola! Bago ko mamatay, paglalaban ko muna ang pagkalalak.
Get them at all cost. Ipaglaban mo ko, Boy Topak. Directed by 5 Cinco.